Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. And in today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens. You're basically ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store, and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check for your order, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Because of the discount codes that you compare, a lot of us prefer to shop this way, and it's just a little bit of magic. Alternatively, if you are a shopper that likes to be in store, dealing with those paper register rewards and just looking at what they have before you buy it, I made a video yesterday where I was going through the store showing various deals, freebies, cheapies, you name it. You might want to check out this video because there's lots of great deals. I'll link it at the end. Let's get right into this. Deal number one. For this one, you're going to grab two of these COVERGIRL eye enhancers, the three kit for $9.73. They're on a buy one get one 50% off. You're going to load this best friend, which is a 4 off of 2, and hopefully you have the same one as I. So that'll melt off, and then we also have IBOTTA. It's going to give you $3 back for each. So when you are picking up your curbside pickup, you must ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt to submit this to IBOTTA. It's going to make 2 of those quads completely free after IBOTTA, and I believe Swagbucks is also giving back $2 if you're part of that. It'll make it a moneymaker. The basket to balance, of course I have to do this. We're going to throw in 2 of the Scots for $10. We have a whole bunch of store and digital coupons attaching with this product, and isn't this an item all of us need in our stockpile? You're going to load these 2 best friends, the $2 manufacturer at the top and the $1.25 one, which is the Walgreens coupon. It'll attach to all of them. So looking at this basket, $2.50 off for Scott, that's your Walgreens coupon, the $4 manufacturer for COVERGIRL, the $2 for Scott, and using the code WAG10, 57 cents. Now guys, 57 cents isn't a lot, so alternatively, if you can never get a receipt and you really want to get these quads, I would do this deal in store so you can get a physical receipt from the cashier. The overall total is $19.73. $307 melting off for Scott and WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, and $6 in manufacturers melting off. So your total is $11.66. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.66. Then you're photographing your receipt for $6 back from IBOTTA and then $2 back from Swagbucks. If you look at the math of all of this after you get your free makeup, it's basically like if you're going to divide it by 4, you're getting each item for 91 cents, and that for the Scott, which would be absolutely fantastic. So make this deal happen. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. For this one, you either do this deal or don't do this deal. But we have a $3 digital, again, attaching to this travel size Advil pain reliever. So it's $3.79. It'll be 79 cents after this digital coupon. And yes, it's attaching as of this morning. So if this isn't for you, just pass on this deal, but I know a lot of us want these travel size items. And then we're going to throw in one of these clearance Nexus shampoo. I had to go with the more expensive one because you need a minimum of a $10 basket for a curbside pickup over at Walgreens. That's the devil in that detail. We're going to load this $5 digital, and yes, it is attaching, so how lovely is that? And then just to show you Nexus coming off, Advil coming off, a big 8 cents with the code WAG10 as well, kind of funny. And just to show you, the basket is $18.78, 8 cents coming off with WAG10, free curbside pickup, and $8 in manufacturers. So the total is $11.86. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay the 82 cents. Or $1.82 for that one Nexus shampoo and 79 cents for the Advil. Not a bad deal. Okay, this next deal, if you get migraine headaches or prone to it, you know the value. We're going to grab 2 of these 100-count Excedrin Migraine Reliefs. There are some other different ones, like there's a nighttime one, I believe. So $31.98. They are expensive. They are on this goofy promotion of spend 25, get back 10, which is very generous for Walgreens for this product. We have this very generous coupon that popped up a while back. It's a 6 off of 2. It's much better than the $2 digital they have advertised. So as you can see, our $6 coupon is melting off along with $2.60 using the code WAG10. I tried to make a $50 basket happen, guys, but it was just way too much out of pocket without a second booster. The math was not mathing. Just to show you this, $31.98 minus $260. So for those that are so concerned about not making that threshold of $25, you're at $29.38. Free curbside pickup, tax, or $6 digital melting off. You're going to pay $25.14 with your debit card. Because the promotion is to spend $25 to get back $10, you got to pay for the balance, and you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. So it makes it like factoring in the tax, like $13 and some change per, or like $6.69 per unit. And I'm wondering if IBOTTA might show a rebate for this later in the week. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, now we're looking at the final deal, deal number 4. We're going to grab 2 of these fancy Dove body washes for $10. There used to be a body wash that was like in a cylinder tube, and it was also like for acne and all this stuff, but they repackaged all of it like a year ago to these square ones. So do you guys remember those, or is it just me? I remember us getting them really cheap at a clearance event at the Dollar General. Anywho, this premium body wash in a square packaging, we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. This right here is a little Christmas gift, so just load it. And then just to show you, it is actually working with a coupon code if you use the code WAG10 for an extra $1 off. Again, I tried to do a $50 basket with this and a bunch of other stuff, and mathematically it just wasn't great. We also have a Fetch Rewards rebate we'll talk about in a second for this product, so it makes it an extra $2 back. But $20, subtracting the 1, tax, $10 melting off with that very generous manufacturer. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 14 cents. And then Fetch Rewards has a rebate for 1,000 points back per unit. So when you do the checkout for this, when you go to the store, you have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register because you need a physical receipt to photograph this to Fetch. If you can't accomplish this, obviously do this deal in store. It's $1 difference. But, if you can manage to finesse that, make it happen, because you need a physical paper receipt to make this magic happen. And then it's an extra $2 back. Now, in case you missed it, yesterday, early evening-ish, I posted a video. Dollar General, their penny list for Tuesday was released on Sunday, which is really weird. There's lots of food, Oreo cookies, Ritz crackers, those Shakalicious summer gummies, and a whole bunch of different medications. This penny list is very vast and large. I really recommend that you watch yesterday's video. Even if you're not a big Dollar General shopper, I walk through how it works. I was able to get 300 pennies at 3 stores yesterday. It's totally worth your time to take that leap of faith and try. If you're driving to Walgreens on your way home, if there's a Dollar General, definitely walk in and try and make some magic happen. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.